We're diving into the ultimate showdown, XRP versus Bitcoin. It's like Godzilla versus King Kong. We're less roaring and more blockchain. So grab your controller and get ready for a pixelated brawl. In the red corner, we have Bitcoin, the granddaddy of crypto. It's been around since 2009, and it's the original crypto giant. Just like King Kong, it's a force of nature that everybody knows and fears. But will it hold up against our challenger? In the blue corner, we have the underdog, the up-and-comer XRP. It's like Godzilla, a bit mysterious, some say misunderstood, but packing a serious punch. Could it be the new king of the crypto jungle? Alright, place your bets. Are you Team Godzilla or Team King Kong? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let the crypto games begin.
Round 1.
Bitcoin, the King Kong of crypto, has got a market cap that's soaring to new heights. It's the undisputed champ, but is it too heavy to adapt to the evolving fast-paced crypto world? XRP, our Godzilla in this crypto clash, is not about brute strength, it's about speed and efficiency. Some call it the Fast and Furious of crypto, but can it stand up to the legacy and reputation of Bitcoin?
Round 2.
Imagine this, Tokyo's financial district is the battleground. Bitcoin, with its towering market cap, throws punches left and right. But here comes XRP, dodging and weaving. Its lightning-fast transactions become a secret weapon, a rapid-fire counter to Bitcoin's slow and heavy blows. Can Bitcoin's sheer strength withstand the lightning-fast agility of XRP?
Round 3.
XRP isn't just about flexing speed, it's aiming to be the bridge between traditional finance and the crypto world. It wants to streamline international transactions, just like Godzilla's laser-like, high-velocity atomic heat beam, making transactions faster and more effective. Can Bitcoin keep up with this level of ambition? Bitcoin's benefits so that it has its roots deep in the ethos of decentralization. And just like Donkey Kong, where there's a fixed total of 100 bananas per level, the total number of Bitcoin is set forever at 21 million. Unlike XRP, this fixed amount creates scarcity, making Bitcoin a store of value. But as XRP sets its sights on the broader mission, the question remains: can Bitcoin keep pace with the challenging demands of the crypto landscape? Or will it become a relic of the past in the quest for digital dominance?
Next round.
The regulatory arena is where our digital titans face their own set of challenges. To some, Bitcoin appears as a menacing threat, while others see it as a symbol of financial liberation. Bitcoin swings on the precipice of regulatory classifications, keeping regulators in a perpetual state of bewilderment. Is it a currency, a commodity with colossal value, or merely a misunderstood digital giant? The financial world shakes as Bitcoin roars with menacing uncertainty. In the colossal world of cryptocurrency, XRP has also faced its own monstrous legal battles. Its connections with traditional financial institutions has raised eyebrows, with regulators questioning whether it's friend or foe to the traditional financial order. The regulatory landscape trembles like buildings in Godzilla's wake as XRP's role unfolds. It's a complex battle with the authorities, and our digital titans must find a way to prevail. In a moment, we'll check in with Simon the Predictive Tortoise for his verdict on the winner of this epic clash of titans. But just quickly, if you're thinking about diving into the glamorous world of investing, Robinhood's your best buddy. They've made it so easy, it's like the financial equivalent of a microwave dinner. Pop it in, press a few buttons and boom, you're in the investing game. And the best part, it's commission free. No sneaky costs hiding in the shadows. Whether you're into stocks, ETFs, or even those wild and woolly cryptocurrencies, Robinhood's got your back. And they even throw in some educational goodies to make sure you're not just blindly throwing darts at the stock board. So sign up for Robinhood and make those dreams of financial glory come true, all while sipping coffee in your pyjamas. Links in the notes below. Now, if you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe. If not for me, then do it for Simon. He's been promised a cool upgrade from 8-bit to 9-bit if we get to 1,000 subs.
Next round.
So how do we pick a winner? On the one hand, Bitcoin's considered more decentralised than XRP. But XRP's cheaper, faster, more scalable, and environmentally friendlier. Simon, who's the likely champion in this face-off? What should we be gobbling up? XRP, Bitcoin, or tortoise snacks?